Um, Collaboration Station. It is kind of a fancy word for accessing the Google Docs through the District 196 system. So every student in all of District 196, so all 29,000 students, have their own Google Docs account. That account is set up for them already, and every single student can have that. If you've never accessed that account before, you need to access that account and get that working. To do that, you just click on the Collaboration Station login, and if you've never done it before, it's going to first time logging in. It's going to give you some information. Your username, it's the same username and password that you use for everything else you log into at Egan for your Collaboration Station. So make sure this is working, because this is the place where you're going to turn in all your labs to me. The second part of using Collab or the Collaboration Station is to actually be able to access the Google Classroom. Okay, so Google Classroom is a way that we can basically organize all of our Google files, and I can send you guys assignments. You guys can turn in assignments. So anything that we do in terms of you guys working collaboratively and then submitting or turning things into me, we'll do it through the Google Classroom. So if you've never been to Google Classroom before, probably the easiest way to do that is actually just type in Google Classroom as a search for Google. When you do that, you'll get the first link is there's, let's say, Google Classroom. Now, if you're logged into a Google account, which a lot of you probably are when you're online, it may take you directly there. If I click on this, since I'm right now not logged into any of my accounts, it's going to say, hey, what account do you want to use? So to use Collaboration Station and to use Google Classroom, we must be in our Collab account. So for you guys, it will be your ID number at apps.district196.org. For teachers, you have our names there. So if I click on that, then it's going to ask me to type in my password. Type that in, and it's going to bring me into my classroom. Now, these are all classrooms that I have as a teacher. This interface looks very similar for students, so you should see the classrooms here that you are set up for a student. If there's nothing here, you should be able to go up and add a class and then put that in. Now, I'm going to invite every student for the first trimester to the class. So with that invitation, when you log in the first time, you probably have a prompt that says that you've been invited to join this class. Do you want to join? And just say yes to that, and then you'll be in my class. If you don't get that prompt, or you don't have your proper hour for honors chemistry listed when you try to get into the classroom, let me know, and I can actually give you the class codes to then log in yourself for that. All right, guys, that is Collaboration and Google Classroom. Thank you.